Good morning, children. How are you all? I'm happy to see you in the next classwork note this session. Okay, see, we have completed the lesson Speak the Truth. So, we have to finish the classwork, is it not? So, kindly write it in 4 lines note. Please don't write in single line. This is for your benefit, children. You have to practice in 4 lines note. If you are not writing in 4 lines note, how your handwriting will be? Just imagine. Can I correct that? If you are writing in single line note. Okay, so just start with this 4 lines. Okay, see, we are first we have to start with the date. Next, lesson number 2, speak the truth. Okay, so come, we'll go to the hard words. Excuse, patiently, admit, console, usually, rolled, yesterday, every day, homework, suddenly, forgot, mistakes, thought, happened, morning. As I already told you, please draw a line in between and write the hard words. Don't take and write this hard words in the next page. Okay, so that we can save the pages. Okay, children, so draw a line in between and write the hard words alone. Okay, next, coming to the match the following. Match the following: a female sibling, an auntie child. See, this one in your back exercise you have it. Okay, so I changed that into a match the following. Okay, so kindly write this. Okay, please don't write the answer straight. Let it be like this. Okay, just write the numbers alone and circle it. Okay, so you can write like this. Parents brother, a male parent, brother's female child. Okay, so the answers are this side, you should write. Okay, so coming to the question answers. See, you know who is Santosh. Santosh was studying in 4th standard. When the teacher was asking him next day whether he have completed his homework or not, what he told? He suddenly got an idea and he told a lie to the teacher. He lied to the teacher. So what he told? I had fever, ma'am. Like that he told. Okay. After that, later what happened in the lunch break? Sister Sukanya was coming and asking why he is not eating and crying. So then he told the truth, and what that sister did? She did the right thing. She directed him to the teacher. Okay, so that's what we needed. So if anybody is doing wrong or some mistake, what you should do? You should not stay together and hide that. You should direct them in the right way. So then Santosh went and admitted his mistakes, and the teacher was very happy. Okay, that is the story. Answer the following. The first one is, which class was Santosh studying in? Santosh was studying in class 4. Who was Sandhya? Sandhya was Santosh's cousin. Why did Sandhya came to Santosh's house? Sandhya came to play with him. What did teacher ask Santosh in the classroom? The teacher asked him, why haven't he done his homework? What did Santosh admit before teacher? You should make a question mark there. I forgot to write. Sorry. Okay. Santosh admitted his mistakes before the teacher. Why was the teacher happy at the end? The teacher was happy at the end because Santosh admitted his mistake and told the truth. Okay, so with this we are completing the second lesson classwork. Is that clear, children? See, speak the truth. First one is Roman letter 1 is hard words, second one is match the following, Roman letter 3 is answer the following. Okay, so now after that one more thing I would like to tell you. See, all things bright and beautiful, we don't have any question answers like that and exercises. It's just a poem. And also I told you how to sing this song. Just 4 lines. First 4 lines alone it is needed. See, okay, by heart only that 4 lines. All things bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the Lord God made them all. So just remember this alone, okay? Only this 4 lines is enough for you, children. So now in this we will write only the hard words, okay? See, hard words, Roman letter 1, hard words. Don't forget to mention the date. Date is very important. Whenever, whatever notes you are taking, even the running notes also, please mention the date. Daily when you sit for the online class also, to write the date, what today's date, write the date, which teacher is taking, at what time, what she is talking. Okay, what class she is taking, mainly that you write. Okay. Next, hard words, beautiful, wonderful, glowing, purple-headed, almighty, pleasant, brightens, mountain, creatures, morning. Next, Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. All things bright and beautiful. Each little flowers that opens. God made their tiny wings. Okay. So first question, what are the things that God has made? So in that context, in the poem, what are the things that God has made? The things that God has made are the bright and beautiful things, great and small creatures, colorful flowers, and tiny wings of bird. Write few God-made and man-made things. This one we have in the backside exercises with the pictures given. Okay. So they have asked us to separate and write. Okay. Like that we also making a God-made and man-made things. Here God made all natural things. See, sun, clouds, trees, mountains, stars. Here man made all the things. Whatever you want, you can even write that, children. But this is for question answer sake. Okay. Book, car, clock, horse, mobile. Okay. So with this we are completing the all things bright and beautiful also. Okay. So next we will see in the next class. I am trying to write it in online only. So I will record while I am writing only. Okay. During the class hours we will write together. Okay. Okay, children. Anything, any doubt, you can message me. Okay. Thank you so much, children. Kindly finish that lesson 2 and all things bright and beautiful classwork and write neatly. Please sharpen your pencil and write. Okay. Thank you so much, children.